Jim, we appreciate your time. Give us what your hours are.
We're about 10 miles west of Graham, 2 miles south of Newcastle. The grounds are open every day, sun up to sundown. The museum is open every day except Wednesday from 9 to 12 and then 1:30 to 5. And then we're closed Sunday morning. And if I'm here on a Wednesday, I'll open up. And I love the job.
If you're in the area, make sure you come and check this out. Jim here is just a wealth of knowledge on the fort and the area, and the history is just phenomenal.
It's awesome.